2012 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, cruise control, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.